Jotugo e tuke mag opich adhula kod mano mar okapu e skunde secondary malwora ma Nyanza oyudo jip makende to motelo ne tuke mochan timore dwe manyien mar 8 ka jalup jatend chenro makar jot ma jatend piny owacho Eliud Owalo ochiwo negi mich mag lep tugo kokalo kuom riwruok mare mar Eliud Owalo Foundation. E kinde mano twak kod ute mag fwambo, Owalo nosingo mar biro neno nosiro timbe ma Nyanza kod gigo duto madwarore kaka yor neno ni gitimo maber e tukego. Ka sikul mar Agai mawuok e kaunti ma Kisumo noyudo lewni 18 mag timo orako kod mag tugo, ka St. Mary's Yala bende noyudo gige orako kod opiche.
Especially for me, who is back on this court where I used to play about 35 years ago. Yeah, so it was an interesting game. We are happy that we have had a good game. We have managed to come out victorious. But most importantly, really, it was a game just to encourage the boys. If they can play against us, then they can play against anybody.
The game was majorly done by Form 2 and 3. Now that Form 4s were in class doing exams. They are pipped us, but if we had the full team, we would have actually showed them the dust. But that was not the issue. The issue was motivating the boys, encouraging them.
I can say without a fear of doubt that they're very skilled. I think that's why they won the 3-on-3, and from Monday they'll be in Kakamega. All they need to do is maybe just do a little bit of weightlifting. They get a little bit stronger.
Erokamano nyako Ramogi kuom thuolo mari kuom kete Ramogi TV. Thuolo no duto kane wakelo weche manyien mag migago mane mokelo e giko mar weche manyien gi sani, to koromo saa 8 abro duogo gi kweth mara gi chenro mar paw tuke. Nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor, oriti masani.
Introducing Wigo, your trusted ride. The ride with the most reliable, verified, efficient and transparent drivers. With fabulous cashback incentives for passengers, each trip on Wigo feels like an upgrade. Download Wigo from Play Store or App Store or SMS Wigo to 20425 and ride with confidence. Wigo, let's go. Guess what? Citizen Duke now delivers! Get amazing discount on your favorite essentials and have them brought straight to your doorstep, all for just 200 shillings.